If you're looking for budget fitness tracker and you haven't knew about Mi Band lately, then it is not possible because under budget, an authentic tracker that have good rapport only comes from the company Mi. They make wonderful products that are reliable and a lot better than their competition in the market. So it's been too much talk now, let's get started. I have ordered the parcel from Daraz Mall, so it will have as usual Daraz packaging.
You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning.
First of all, we can see Mi Band 6 branding on the box. On right side, we can see some of the details mentioned. Up to 30 workout mode, data tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistance up to 50 meters, sleep monitor, magnet charging. On left side, we can see 1.56 full AMOLED display, stress monitoring. That's all for the details mentioned on the box. Let's proceed to the unboxing. In box, we can see Mi Band 6 itself. Then we can see a magnet charging cable, and a user manual. It is the biggest user manual I have ever seen. This is a global variant and this user manual is in different languages. That's why we can see this much thick user manual. Let's take a close look to the box content. This is the user manual. This is the Mi Band 6. This is the magnet charging cable. I've been using this Mi Band 6 for more than 6 months now. I know I make unboxing video very late and I'm very sorry for that, but let me share my experience. With Mi Band 6, honestly, life has changed. After Mi Band 6, as you know, there are some pros and cons with every product, so as with the Mi Band 6. Firstly, we will discuss its pros. Mi Band 6 is amazing budget band, slightly upgrade over Mi Band 5. SpO2 sensor is a thing that make things different between Mi Band 5 and 6, and the display size. Well, if you're having a Mi Band 5, I wouldn't recommend to buy a Mi Band 6. Let's talk about the display of Mi Band 6. Amazing AMOLED display with good brightness and viewing angle. I have also used Mi Band outside and the visibility under the sun is great. It is very lightweight. It has very accurate sensors measuring all your workouts. Like me, if you toggle auto monitoring, so it will give you a battery time of 6 days max. And if you close only sleep tracking, then its battery time will increase from 6 days to 16 to 19 days. But I think you should toggle sleep track. It have a very reliable tracking, tells you about your breathing quality and total time, how much you have slept, how long you had a deep sleep, all statistics in your Mi app. And the best thing is that it is the only band or a smartwatch that works with iPhone and has no compatibility issue. And as you all know that I am an iPhone user, that is 100% pro for me. Now let's talk about the cons of the Mi Band 6. First of all, don't rely on the auto workout detection. It is completely garbage. Sorry Mi Band fans, but it's true. It takes to auto detect your workout. Well, I suggest if you're doing a workout, so starting it manually is the best workaround. Second con is that Mi app doesn't provide a lot of watch face to choose from. And after a new firmware update by me, third-party apps like Amazfit are not working anymore, and there is no way to install other watch faces. Well, this is a problem with the iPhone compatibility. On Android, it works perfectly fine. Because of water resistance up to 50 meters, it relaxes your mind and you can use it while washing hands, swimming, or on a rainy day. So it's not going to get damaged. That's all my experience with Mi Band 6, and without any doubt, best fitness tracker right now under budget. I think you will like this video. If so, drop a like. If not, drop a dislike. The boy is signing off. Allah Hafiz.